just rinsing off my snow crabs out. Yeah, I'm trying to record this video.
Okay.
No, it's okay. Just rinsing off my snow crabs, you guys, and I'm putting them in a pot. And I only have 3 little clusters of, just these. So. And I'm doing it with one hand because my right hand is swollen. So, and I'm just gonna make me like a little boil. But I'm gonna try to break these like so they're all like fit in the pot. Already boiled me 2 eggs, and that's it. I'm gonna make like a little sauce. I have like a little piece of sausage that I'm gonna use also. And that over here. Some shrimp. And I'm gonna put some lemon. I'm gonna squeeze a half a lemon in here, some minced garlic, and probably a tablespoon of butter. That's it. Because I'm gonna make a sauce, so I don't need all that extra butter. So yeah. And let me finish doing this, and I'll be back. So you guys, I'm just taking, my right hand, y'all. If I just hold it steady, it won't be that bad. See, well, I didn't intend for this part like that, but I'm really just trying to, like, make it all, like, oh, see. Trying to keep my right hand steady. I think I sprung my wrist, so it's getting better, but anyways, that's not about this, what this video is about. So this is how I like to do mine, because everything will fit in the pot, unless I was doing like for more than me, then I would do it different. Woo! That pressure right there. Oh, shit. Anyways, let me finish this, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have a little of this crawfish seafood oil. Just a tiny bit. Don't want a lot. I didn't want a lot. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get some of this. Garlic. What else am I putting in there? got minced garlic. I love this type of garlic, you guys. It's so good. So good. Okay. Okay. We got some thyme. This is the powder. Now I'm gonna make a butter sauce, like a garlic butter ranch sauce with lemon. But I do make a dark sauce, you know, with brown sugar and all that stuff. But I don't want that. But anyway, this is paprika just for color. And then I have some rosemary leaves because I like rosemary. I was going to use the jarred minced garlic, but I cannot turn the cap, y'all. So this is just some leaves. I thought it was, it's just a little bit. I'm going to use that rest for my sauce. But anyways, take half a lemon. I don't know why I silently said that, but yes. I want to get all my juice out of here, y'all. And anyways, I'm going to put, like a tablespoon of butter. And don't forget I have my shrimp in here also. So, I got some butter right here. And I'm literally going to cut this little piece of butter up. I don't want a lot because I'm already going to make a sauce, remember? See? I'm going to cut this up like into some little squares, rectangles, whatever you want to call it. Like this. See? So I'm going to put them in there. And I'm going to put this on the stove. And, see, I don't want to drop nothing, but that's how it's looking. It's looking how it's looking, okay? I'm going to put this on the stove and put a top on it, and I'm going to give it for, I'm probably going to toss it. I'll probably give it like a good 15 minutes, maybe. Like a good 15 minutes, okay. See you soon. Don't break y'all's off the way that I did. Just crack it. Don't take it off. Just crack it. See y'all. I don't even think it's been 10 minutes, but I mean 15 minutes. It's probably been more like 10, but I'm not going to I'll probably get this 5 more minutes, then I'm taking mine out. So I'm going to put the top back on and then let that go, but I'm about to make my sauce. So I have like 2 pieces of butter. It's probably like 1 tablespoon or maybe a tablespoon and a half of butter. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So I got a small lemon, but it's a whole lemon, the juice of a whole lemon. trying to get these seeds out. Even if you drop a seed in there, it really don't matter. I mean, you ain't gonna eat no damn seed. So there go one. Okay, I'm gonna put some my garlic. That's good. Rosemary. Come on. Okay. I really don't want to put thyme because of the color, but I'm going to put a little. That's good. Now, y'all. Oh, my arm hurt. My hand hurts so bad. Trying to adjust myself. Ooh. Y'all see that Hidden Valley Ranch mix packet. Wait. Damn it. Wait, I gotta come back, y'all. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so I put the rest of the ranch packet now. It was not a whole ranch pack. It was like a half for one. And then I'm going to put a little of this crawfish boil. Just a little. So, oh, let me get a little water. Okay, I do like to add a little water, you guys, because I didn't put that much butter, and I'm trying to like get a lot of sauce in there. So I'm just gonna stir this and bring it to a boil. When I tell y'all this is good, I promise y'all. And that probably was like less than 1/4 cup of water. Like not even 1/4. Just a little. Ooh. See? If y'all can see that. Let me see. Look at the camera. Just gonna bring that to a boil, and now you can put much butter and what is it? Butter and lemon, whatever you want, much as you want. But I'm doing, you know, what I like. Okay, I'll be back. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna come back with everything plated. All right. This is my sauce, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I know I'm used to the red sauce. But just try this, okay? Try this sauce. I don't know which way to look. Anyway, try this sauce. You don't have to put the water. You can put more lemon or whatever way you like it. But I promise you, you know, all that sauce went to the bottom, so that's going to be so good. All right. All right.